Alright guys, here we have Peugeot 206 year 1998, 1.4 gasoline engine, 75 horsepower. On this vehicle we're gonna replace the radiator. We are going to remove the cylinder head because looks like the gasket is broken and we have ingress of water to the sump. If everything is okay with the cylinder head, we're gonna replace the timing belt and all related auxiliaries, including the water pump. So let's get started. First thing, disconnect battery. Second thing, remove the air filter box and the ducts. Gasket screwdriver. Here one is missing. Then you have clips. This one and that yellow one. Disconnect those. Alright. There's another clip on the top. We're going to replace also the air filter. Another socket. Okay guys, you remove 10mm bolt, which is right here. And then this will be free. Then you see one cable which you need to send the thread. Normal thread. Now computers is the remedy. There are some cables here. Remove that. Here is a plastic band. You can see it. It's just a clip. Remove that hose and drain the antifreeze. And there is another hose which connects to the then that plate out of the way. Now these sockets. Remove it. Remove that socket. Again, there is a vacuum line, and then throttle position sensor. Our goal is to remove the intake manifold. 17mm socket. Guys, it's much more easier to remove those bolts here. Need socket 13 extension. It's coming right up. So the gaskets. Bolts are those. You've got one, two, three, four bolts 10mm. That's the three bolts 12mm. Just take it out. Try to put the car on timing. Here, I will show you later on. Here you've got a hole. I don't know what is the diameter, but you should put a pin. And down there is a mark. Let me show you. There is a mark. There's a mark right here. That's the one. So this one needs to be right there. Anyhow, I have to remove the timing belt. E14. Ja.